What goes into the making of a video game? My students found out this year during our project to design games for our school to play at Fun Day. They were able to use Makey, coding, and whatever other resources we had at school to create games that almost 700 students at our school would be able to play. First, they had to start with a plan and talk with their group about what they wanted to do. They used things that they actually like in their lives, whether that be dancing and TikTok or playing video games, sports, and really whatever else. They created their ideas and their platforms. They created controllers, baseball fields, air hockey setups, all kinds of things. And then they made a promo video to talk about their game and explain how it worked for me to share with the Fun Day committee. They were able to explain their work and how they designed their code, their Makey, their controller setup, and whatever else they used. And then we went through lots of testing and refining to make our projects just what we wanted them to be.
These two controls are the main controls. They're connected to the earth on the Makey, right in here. So they're the controls that whenever you hit these, it forces the character to move. And each of these are attached to the controls. So whenever you press the button, like so in this game, you have to press space once, but the other control works. It's loading real quick.
And so it'll be already set up and turned on when the kids come in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, with that being said, whenever these are connected, whenever you press this with the other metallic object connected to Earth in the controller, makes it move forward. And then if you press the middle one, it makes the guy jump. And if you press both of them at the same time, and this was a request from my friend Hudson, because he was complaining that he couldn't move forward, so I made him be able to move backwards.
Nice.
And it pretty much works in every level too.
That's a great initial design, you guys. So still some refining to do, huh? But it's gonna be great. Awesome. One thing I loved about this project is it took us lots of trips through the engineering design process. The students had to think critically about their work and what it would take to be successful.
Something on the finger and it goes like this, and then when they touch it, it goes up. But it's not working now. I think the green light has to be.
This is just the kind of learning experience I love to provide for my students, one in which they can maximize and capitalize on their strength while recognizing that they can use the strengths of each other too. This is the kind of thing that will prepare them to be successful in the real world and wherever they go. And let me tell you, the buy-in, the motivation was unbelievable.
Oh my God.